Hey, what's up, y'all? This is what we finna do today. Listen, I need 40K people in here right now, and I'll drink oil. I'll drink oil right now on live. 40K people on live. I'm drinking oil. I'm drinking straight oil out the gallon. Dead ass. I'm drinking straight oil out the gallon. I'm bored as fuck. But yeah. I'm about to drink oil straight out the gallon. You want to see me? I'm finna drink oil straight out the gallon. Listen, 2K19, y'all ain't drinking no oil straight out the gallon. You see this? I'm drinking straight out the gallon. Ew. Fuck. Y'all ain't drinking no oil. Y'all is not drinking no oil 2K19. I promise you that. Ugh. That bitch tastes nasty.